These are snowdrops I found in April growing here in Wisconsin. I took one to do a flower study. Here I am taking the petals off and tracing them onto my sketchbook. If I don't make the flower right away, I refer back to my flower study to recreate the flower in beads. There are 5 stamens. I made the first prototype for the petals. I liked it at first but decided to go back to the drawing board after I had it assembled. Now I have the pattern and ready to bead. Here are all the individual units and I am ready to assemble. The top of the stem is lighter than the bottom, so I am using 2 shades of green Flora tape. Now I am ready to put the flowers and leaves together. I compared the stem with the vase I wanted to use. I found this miniature vase at the Target dollar aisle. Cut the stem. Fill the vase with pebbles. Insert the stem in the vase. If you would like to make these French beaded snowdrops, the PDF for this pattern is available on our website. Happy beading!